Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today I've just had Sunday Carvery at the Crown Inn Playhatch. This is, I believe, a 16th century pub and inn. The inn is quite new, but the pub itself is, I think, 16th century. I'll have to look that up and correct myself if I'm wrong. But it's absolutely stunning. Service was great. Atmosphere amazing. Just gonna do a quick walkthrough. Take a look at their restaurant and garden. I'm going the wrong way. To the garden. Brilliant large garden. It was full inside, and I imagine in the summer that this whole patio is full. For the dogs. Just look at this. Unfortunately, I didn't have the opportunity to stay here, but you can check out some of their rooms online. It's about a 10-minute cab ride from Reading, and it looks like a nice, quiet garden if you're looking for some weekend little getaway. Thank you for watching this quick walk around the grounds and gardens of the Crown Inn Playhatch. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.